The Tashkummy 360-degree Pivotable Binder set stands out because each binder can fold completely back on itself, making it feel more like a sturdy notebook than a bulky traditional binder. The slim 1-inch 3-ring design still holds a practical amount of paper while staying thin enough to slide easily into a backpack or briefcase without adding much weight. Being able to rotate the covers a full 360 degrees makes it comfortable to write on both sides of a page, whether you are left-handed or right-handed, and it even works well when you are standing or on the go. The combination of a fabric spine and metal rings gives these binders a flexible feel without seeming flimsy, so they handle regular opening and closing in school or office settings. Clear front pockets and interior sleeves make it simple to label each binder by subject and keep loose sheets or handouts organized without needing extra folders. With a 12-pack in multiple colors, it is easy to color code different classes, projects, or clients, which helps keep larger workloads organized across home, school, and office use.